him! Frankie's coming back!
You'll never stop Sir Frankie the Knight!
Even a knight can't climb our castle wall to get the scepter. It's too high!
I don't need to climb the wall, because I can do this! Charge! Charge! Ah! The scepter is mine! I'm going to have the best castle ever!
The Robo Dragon 1100! Let's go and get that knight!
Rusty, if you sneak up below Frankie, he won't be able to see you.
Thanks, Ruby. Okay, Robo Dragon, let's do this!
Huh, where'd they go? I guess they gave up. No one can defeat Frankie the Knight. What?
We'll take that scepter!
You got lucky, but you'll never catch me. Super Turbo Speed! Uh-oh, I forgot to charge my jetpack. Super Turbo Falling!
Full wing power, Robo Dragon!
Oh.
Looks like he needed help from a knight and his dragon.
Nuh-uh. I was about to save myself. Somehow.
Wizard Ruby is back.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.